Welcome, in front of me is a ULEFONE Power 3S, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's get into the settings, and from here scroll down to storage right over here, tap on the SD card and on the three dots and go to settings, where we should see the option to format. Tap on it and it will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the SD card and you will permanently lose everything that was on it. So if there's something that you would like to keep, you might want to make a copy of it before you begin. But if you don't want to make a copy, then simply press erase and format. The process will begin, and it's a fairly quick one, only takes about a couple of seconds. And once it's finished, the card is ready to be used once more, as it is right now. Tap on done and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.